Today's video has been sponsored by JLC 3DP. If you do not have a 3D printer yourself but are ever in need of a 3D printed part, JLC 3DP has a super nicely streamlined online platform that allows for easy uploading of 3D models, gives you instant quotes, and also real-time order tracking. There is a wide variety of materials that you can choose from, such as SLA, nylon, metal, plastic, or SLS nylon, or even WJP resin. They meticulously manage every step with production times as fast as 24 hours and delivery within just 2 days. Check out what JLC 3DP can do for you at the link below. Up to $60 coupons for new users and other really nice discounts are available. Again, links are in the description down below. Now, even though I have the luxury of having tons of 3D printers available to me, I did still want to test out their service. So I uploaded some files, selected the materials, and waited for them to arrive. The specific model I was going for was for a sort of desk ornament and also a bit of a paperweight in the form of an automotive item. So I decided to upload a tire and also a wheel. The tire was printed in black resin and the wheel was done out of metal, simply because I was curious of the quality and also wanted to feel the weight of it. I did manage to make a tiny mistake in the scaling. The wheel is a bit too small, or the tire is a little bit too big, so they didn't fit together as well as I'd wanted to. So I added a small amount of duct tape around the wheel itself just to fit a bit tighter inside of the tire, and it does give a bit more shade and depth to the overall look, so it's not that bad of a mistake in the end. I'm really happy with the way that the material is able to be handled. The quality is pretty nice, and also the weight is really good too. Something I wanted to try for a long time, so thank you to JLC 3DP for helping me out with this. Again, if any of you are interested in checking them out, I will be leaving links in the description down below. Thank you JLC 3DP for sponsoring this video. Now back to work.